Welcome to Radical Transparency. My name is Ted Pappas, and in this video series, we'll talk about why having a Salesforce backup off-platform that's both accessible and verifiable is critical to your business. And in this video series, we'll follow the Salesforce pillar of equal education. My goal in this series is really simple. It's to make sure that everyone in the Salesforce ecosystem is equally educated in the art of possible with Salesforce data off-platform. And today, we're going to talk about the differences between Salesforce Data Cloud and a self-hosted backup. My intentions are not to make this controversial. My intentions are not to say anything other than the Salesforce Data Cloud is a fantastic product, but it does have limitations, and it is primarily best suited with low-end use cases. So difference number one, and this is something we talk about all the time, which I believe to be the biggest advantage of a self-hosted backup, or security and controls, everything around GRC, governance, risk, compliance. If you put your data into Salesforce Data Cloud, you are still under the handcuffs of the security posture of the platform and who the platform is integrating with. With a self-hosted backup, there are no handcuffs. The security posture is regulated by your internal controls of your security team. So I believe security and controls is the number one consideration when looking at Data Cloud versus self-hosted. Number two is integration functionality. Data Cloud integrates with a number of third-party providers, but the integrations are standard. And if you're an enterprise environment and you have a highly customizable integration path or integration workflows, your data model is large and complex, getting the data out of platform, self-hosted, presumably in a VPC behind your firewall, allows you with much greater flexibility for integrations of data. So number two is integration flexibility. And number three, which I believe to be the second biggest consideration next to GRC, is storage costs. We've talked about this before. Salesforce storage costs are predictable. The level is set. But what's not predictable is when you have to level up in storage. And in the Data Cloud platform, when all data is integrated into platform, there's this thing that causes data bloat. The bigger data gets, the faster you have to level up in storage. With a self-hosted off-platform backup, you control the storage cost. So whether you're replicating that to a low-end storage, spinning disk in your environment, whether you're moving it to a bucketed S3 on AWS or a lower-end cost provider like Glacier on AWS, you control the storage cost of your backup. So number one, GRC, data controls and security. Number two, the flexibility for integrations. And number three, the ability to eliminate data bloat and control your storage costs. Again, my name is Ted Pappas. I'm the CEO of Capstorm. Thank you for watching Radical Transparency. Please come back here next Thursday for the next episode of Radical Transparency, and thank you very much.